Hey guys, welcome back. So the last thing we need to talk about is how to merge our branches together. Once we're happy with our code and we're ready to merge it back into master. First, we want to switch to the local master branch by using git checkout master. Then we want to pull all the changes down. We can do this by git pull origin master. It says our branch is up to date, and yeah, there we go. So what we can do is we can do this command git branch -- merged, and this command will show us what branches have been merged so far. As we can see, only the master branch is there, and our calc divide branch has not been merged yet. So in order to merge this branch, we can do this command git merge calc divide. After merging this file, you can push all the code with the git push origin master. And then after this is completed, we can go ahead and check on GitHub. This is the master branch that we're in right now, and if we refresh, we can see that our changes have been pushed and updated. Now, after merging this branch, we have no more need for this calc divide branch, so let's go ahead and delete it. Before we delete, we have to make sure that the branches were actually merged. We can do this with the git branch -- merge commands that we just did before. And now you can see that the calc divide and the master branch is showing up, which means that they have been merged. So it's ready to be deleted. To delete a branch, we can do git branch -d and then the name of the branch you want to delete, which is calc -divide. And it says deleted branch calc divide. So we can check this by git branch -a to show the list of the branches, but you can see it has been deleted in our local directory, but it is still showing up in our remote repository. That's because we never pushed this deletion yet. In order to delete it for good, what we need to do is write the command git push origin -- delete and then the name of the branch, which is calc divide. This will delete the changes in our remote repository as well. And now if we take a look at git branch -a, we can see only the master branch is in our remote repository as well. Let's go over a quick review. To merge the branch with master, we have to first check out to the master branch and then pull all the changes that have been made by other developers. If there's no changes that have been made and your code is ready to go, we can go ahead and check which branches are merged. Then you find the branch that you want to merge and you write the command git merge and then the name of the branch that you want to merge. Then you can go ahead and push those changes with git push origin master. In order to delete a branch, we need to do git branch -- merge to make sure that the branch has been merged before you go ahead and delete it. Then we can do a git branch -d and the name of the branch in order to delete the branch from your local repository. Then you can check the branches in your remote repository and go ahead and delete any branches you want with the command git branch origin -- delete and then the name of the branch. Well, there you have it, guys. This is how you delete and create a branch and merge the branches. This will give you a rundown of everything that you need to know how to do on Git. Thank you for watching.